Welcome to Rich's era. In brushing off former President Donald Trump's lawsuit towards his 2016 presidential opponent Hillary Clinton, a Florida Decide stated on Friday that Trump's attorneys may want to face effects for the claims and felony contentions they made with Inside the In Shape. Before we intend to continue, please subscribe and hit the notification bell for more updates. On Friday, Florida District Court Judge Donald Middlebrooks brushed off Trump's lawsuit towards Clinton that changed into filed in March, alleging that Clinton accused him of colluding with Russia previous to the 2016 presidential election. The ruling brushing off the In Shape stated that Trump's grievance is neither quick nor plain, and it truly does now no longer set up that Trump is entitled to any relief. The amended grievance alleges that the defendants engaged in a calculated scheme to defraud the information media, regulation enforcement, and counterintelligence officers for the motive of proliferating a fake narrative of collusion among Trump and Russia, Middlebrooks stated with Inside the ruling. In the ruling, Middlebrooks stated he felt the claims introduced through Trump and his attorneys had been now no longer warranted beneath the regulation. In supplying a pleading, and legal professional certifies that it isn't being supplied for any unsuitable motive, that the claims are warranted beneath the regulation, and that the authentic contentions have evidentiary help. By submitting the amended grievance, plaintiff's attorneys licensed to the courtroom docket that, to the first rate in their knowledge, the claims, defenses, and different felony contentions are warranted through current regulation or through a non-frivolous argument for extending, modifying, or reversing current regulation or for setting up new regulation, and that the authentic contentions have evidentiary help. I even have extreme doubts approximately whether or not that general is met here, Middlebrooks added. In an announcement dispatched to Newsweek following the ruling, Trump's lawyer, Alina Habba, stated, "We vehemently disagree with the opinion issued through the court today. Not simplest is it rife with faulty programs of the regulation. It disregards the severe unbiased governmental investigations which substantiate or declare that the defendants conspired to falsely implicate our consumer and undermine the 2016 presidential election. We will without delay circulate to attraction this decision." Throughout his ruling, Middlebrooks disputed severe claims made through Trump and his attorneys, announcing that many are fantastic due to the fact they lack any unique allegations which would possibly offer authentic help for the conclusions reached. What the amended complaint lacks in substance and felony help it seeks to replacement with length, hyperbole, and the settling of rankings and grievances, Middlebrooks added. Trump first filed the lawsuit in March accusing Clinton and different Democrats of conspiring to weave a fake narrative that their Republican opponent, Donald J. Trump, changed into colluding with adverse overseas sovereignty, consistent with a document from the BBC. In addition to the ruling on Friday, Trump is likewise going through different felony problems after the FBI raided his Mar-a-Lago house final month in seek of classified files he reportedly took after his presidency. On Thursday, the Department of Justice introduced that it might attraction in search of to damn Trump's request to have a unique grasp oversee the files that had been seized from his Florida house, prompting a vital response from the previous president. So now the FBI and Biden Department of Justice leakers are going to spend millions of dollars and good-sized quantities of time and energy to attraction the order on the raid of Mar-a-Lago document hoax through a first-rate and brave judge whose phrases of information rang proper in the course of our nation, as opposed to combating the report putting corruption and crime this is taking location proper earlier than their very eyes, Trump wrote in a publish on his Truth Social website. This tale changed into up-to-date with an announcement from Trump's lawyer. At 4:12 p.m.